Hello, everyone. This is the video for end of week 15, beginning of week 16, finals week, right? There's not too many of these videos left for me to make. Okay. So as usual for this video, um, intro, outro to stuff for the material that we covered and we're about to do. Um, Next thing I'm gonna say is exam 3 extension, practice exam extensions, and some stuff about the online notes. Okay. Uh, Intro, outro. So the end of this last week should have been exam 3. It was a very small exam. It was maybe 5 questions. Um, and for 5 questions, I think I gave you an hour. So an hour plus 15 minutes. Okay. Make sure you give me the write-ups, right? If you did that and you have an instance of honor lock with the exam, you're good to go. You have nothing to worry about. Okay. I still have to grade exam too, by the way. So I haven't been able to sit down for that. I've had some mid-key emergencies that I've had to take care of. So want to probably today. Okay. I'll probably start at least. Okay. And then all of this next week. Notice we have nothing new, okay? Because I want to give everybody the entire week to one, stress out about the other finals that you have to take care of, and two, study up for this one, okay? I believe the final I made to activate on the 11th, the Thursday, okay? And I think I'm going to close it Sunday. So it gives everybody a good, I want to say, what is that? Thursday to Sunday to do the exam. Okay. Um, Exam 3 extension. So it seems like, and for I think good reason, um, most of you guys are stressing out about other things. Exam 3, people have asked, can we push it out? I'm like, okay, fine, we can do it. So I pushed it out until the 10th, the Wednesday, midnight. Okay. Same thing though. You still have to take it within the hour plus 15 minutes to turn in your write-up. You have to have your honor lock extension present for it. Yeah, okay. The one thing I do want to, this thing has to deal with the practice exam extension. So, if you guys haven't noticed, the practice exam, all the practice exams, exam one, practice exam one, practice exam two, practice exam three, I extended them all out. Okay. And I made all of them to close on the 10th, the Wednesday midnight. Okay. Um, those are worth points. Okay. The only difference behind the practice exams and the real exam, the practice exams, right, look exactly like the real exam, but you don't have to show me proof. So long as you get the highest points, whatever possible, you're good to go. And I added a handful of attempts. I think I added 10 attempts for everything. So um, I think total for all three practice exams, each one has 15 attempts. Highest grade sticks. So it's to your benefit to go through those exams, right, as many times as possible, get the highest score possible. So you get the points. You get the points. Okay. That is about the practice exams. In terms of the practice exams and the final exam, uh, I closed all of the practice exams on the 10th. I don't want the practice exams to be open at the same time that the final exam is open. Okay. Um, yeah, that's the only, I want you guys to take that exam, and I'm giving you guys a good 3, 4 days to take it. Okay. Um, Final exam should be closing up, I believe, Sunday midnight. I believe I set it to Sunday midnight. Okay. Same thing. You get 2 hours, plus 15 more minutes to turn in a write-up. So long as they have that, so long as you have an instance of honor lock in there, you're good to go. Okay. If there's any questions, I am on campus all of this coming week. Some of you guys have actually come down to the tutoring lab in the math building and found me there. Okay. I make it a case to be in the tutoring lab from 12 to 2 every day. Sometimes a little bit past that. Okay. So if you definitely need to talk to me directly, right? uh, Good chance you'll find me in the tutoring lab from about 12 to 2 or in my office, one of the two. Okay. And then the last thing I got to mention today in this video is your online notes. Okay. If you guys haven't noticed yet, what happens with a Canvas course once the course is done, right, is you can still click on it and you can still look through stuff, right? But you can do that for the next, I believe, is 500 days, which is a little less than 2 years. Okay. So after 2 years, about the access to your Canvas page, right, will go away, like completely disappear. It's as if it didn't ever exist. Okay. So what you would want to do, I'm pretty sure most of you guys already have this there. Um, if you need something from the Canvas page, uh, download it for yourself, okay, and just have it somewhere, okay? In particular, something that I need to remind all of you um, is that I'm pretty sure everybody was using the link that was on the homepage for the Canvas course, okay? That link for the online notes. Okay, the link for the online notes. Grab that link and copy paste it somewhere. Make it a bookmark. You know, do something. Yes, um, so that you have access to those notes after the Canvas course disappears after the semester's done. Okay. The Canvas course, like I said, disappears in about 500 days. Okay. The online notes, though, those are the online notes are managed by me. Okay. And I have not closed out any notes since I started this method. So I still have notes from like 2018, 2017. Okay. Um, so don't worry about the notes closing. It's the class that's sort of going to go away. Copy the link, bookmark the link to the online notes. Okay. So then that way you can have it for later. As a separate note, like I said, I'm not closing the notes. I have had one student try to print out all the notes for a course. It is a big hassle. Um, it's a big hassle to get all those notes with my writing on it, right? With everything. If you want to attempt it, go ahead. There is not a very there's not an efficient way to do it. That's it. Okay. So I think the best method for now, uh, copy that link, save that link, bookmark that link somehow so you have the notes for next semester. Okay. Um, in terms of my list of stuff for you guys, that is it. Okay. Um, for the most part, I will be on my computer at certain points of the day, so I'll be checking my email pretty regularly. If there's any questions, like I said, you could try to use. I've been pretty bad with the Pronto. I have been a little bit better with the email. Um, Email me Pronto, or just simply come by the tutoring lab downstairs. I'm there from 12 to 2. No matter what, though, at any point of the day, I am checking my email. Okay. And yeah, that's it. I have one more of these videos left to make after the semester's done, and then that's it. All right, cool. Besides that, happy studying.